Hi YouTube. Yesterday I told you that if I add anything else to my kit that I would come back and come back and tell you things that I added to my kit. I only added 4 new things. The first thing I added was some duck bill clips, and these were $1.99. As well as all-purpose duck bill clips. A thermal curling brush, 2 1/4 by Scoutmaster. A regular brush with the hard bristles handle. I added, and this was $2.99. Sure, that $2.99. Third thing I added was a Simply Sheer salon apron, and it's chemical proof and waterproof. And this was $7.99. Not too bad. It says, y'all can't see. It says super soft, 100% Bentley material, waterproof, chemical proof, 2 deep front pockets, and adjustable neck strap with tie back closure. And I also bought another apron by Scoutmaster. It's a stylish apron, durable Bentley, waterproof, no tie, front pockets, long wraparound ties. And it just says the same thing on the back. It was just a little one. Opened it. I believe this one is like a cheaper version of the other one. This one was $4.99. Yeah, and then I got some office supplies, pens and whiteouts, and things like that. So yeah, that's all I added to my kit, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.